Hey everybody, it's Jeremy from HTL. Okay, so I have to address a few things. I posted in Facebook that I would not be endorsing Aliencell lasers, and at that time, it was true. And the only reason why I said that I wasn't endorsing them was because I didn't have a machine to use other than the two beta models that didn't work. So I wasn't literally unable to fulfill any content or fulfill. I'm not beholden to them to do anything. They offered to send a machine. I got two beta machines. They upgraded their software and firmware so fast that by the time it got to me, I barely could do anything with it. Even in Lightburn, I think I did one project with it. They didn't work. And so just on the pure, simple fact that I literally had no content to make, and I'm not the kind of guy that's going to do negative content for anybody, unless it's warranted, but especially if, like, they sent me out an early beta unit. Well, today's the day. It showed up. I have it. It's right over here. Also, I have my first unboxing knife. This is literally the first unboxing video that I've done on my channel since Jim sent me my own design before I even had a diode laser. He cut something out for me, and I shipped it. He shipped it back here to Michigan, and I opened it, and I think I used a pair of fingernail clippers or something to open that box with. I don't even remember. I'm going to find that video, and I'm going to link it in the description so you can go back and see what it was. So I'm going to link this knife in the description if I can find it, if I can get the information. And so you guys can go get a handcrafted, handmade knife made in America. Without further ado, I hate that. I'm not going to say that. We don't say without further ado anymore. So I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's go over there and start unboxing this Aliencell. All right, let's get into this. It was open like this when I got it, but the rest of it's decent. So we got black acrylic, we got MDF, we got some Baltic birch plywood or basswood or whatever that is. Drop that back in there. What do we got here? Got a manual. You don't want that. All right, take this out. I need those. Okay, that's got to stay. We've got these straps. All right, here we go.
All right. Woo! All right.
Oh, it's backwards. Well, hey, I guess. So right here for the exhaust port in on the back. Okay, so we're gonna open the lid. What do we got here? Let's got the knife bars. All right, pull this out. So cables, cords, power supplies, bricks. Focus sensor. Oh wow, they actually sent some grease for the rails too. Good. They've got some extra fittings for external air supply stuff. A couple of lenses, magnets, the keys, USB to USB-C dongle. All right, fine, that works. Air compressor. The air box that snaps into the back, which I more likely will not be using because my setup is a little different, and I made this. This will go into the back. There will be no filters, no fan blades, no nothing in there to. Couple of slate coasters. And there's those filters for the air hose goes on the compressor. Filters go on that. And here's the module. I don't know if you can, right there, 60 watt. Get this out of here. Why? Why? These are just safety glasses for when you're doing a muffler job on your car. All right. Air hose or exhaust hose. I won't be using that. Unless I do have another surprise. They did send one more thing with the machine. Okay, so I've zoomed in as much as my camera will zoom in. You'll notice in the yellow right there, that's where the screws are to hold the gantry in place. So let me look into this little box here. There we go. Allen wrench tools here. All right, so let's put that there. Get out this. So this is the auto focus module, and I like this. They did this right. All you got to do is just snap it into place with the magnets, and it works. All right, and then this just pops off of the magnet, so you get in there and clean the lens. And the drawer opens. Perfect. I do have the honeycomb. All right. Slide that honeycomb in like that. There we go. The honeycomb is installed. The module is installed. And I think we're going to call it a day on this episode because where this is going to sit, I can't show you just yet. All right, guys. That was the initial unboxing. I showed you everything that came with it. The honeycomb will come with it if you order it. It is a separate purchase. I think they have a rotary that's not out yet, and I'm guessing they're going to have a extender kit for the bottom to raise it up like the feet for the Lasermatic. I am messing with some other stuff for this machine, and so this is the end of the unboxing video. We're not going to hook it up right now because there's going to be another video coming out. When that video drops, then I will hook this up and get everything running, get the software hooked up, do the Wi-Fi, I'll do all the things, okay? There's a purpose to there's a method to my madness. And I did something cool in my mind for some ideas that I have for later on down the road for this machine. Anyways, thanks guys. We'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell because I got 2 more videos coming out with this machine before I even really do a deep dive in. You're going to want to see this next video I have coming out on the way that I have this all set up so that I can do bigger, more gooder stuff. And no, I don't use words good.